Hey, welcome. And finally, we are going to be able to remove all the item we have in cart at once. Okay. Now to do this, again, we have to go to the provider folder and then cart underscore provider. Then their section is dot file. And now we can use Ctrl and V to make this wide. And scroll down. And over here, we are going to create a function and we can say delete delete. I'm just going to say remove all item. Okay, and really we do not need to pass in anything within the parentheses. Over here we passed in the product id because we only want to remove the item based on the product id. That is, we want to be able to remove just an item. But what we are about to do is we want to be able to remove all the item. And remember, we have this variable via code underscore card items. And the duty of this variable is to store all the items we are going to be adding to our cart. So what we can do again, we can call that variable, scroll down, we can call that variable underscore cart items, and we are going to be using a method which you've seen before. It is known as dot clear, and this is basically it. And again, we have to call the notify listener. Okay, use control and S to save, control and B. And first of all, we have to create the UI. So over here we can have the delete icon. Okay, back to card screen, control B to make this wide and scroll up, and within the hardware it has this property known as sorry, within the hardware it has this property known as action. And now this is going to be icon button. We want to have an icon which is also going to be clickable. So icon button, and hopefully I get an auto prediction, and I did. Okay, so this is gonna be we want to be able to use an icon, so icon widget. And let's see icons cupertino icons. Hopefully I can get some auto prediction there. Then dot, let's see if we have anything like delete. Okay, we do have the delete. And how do you and use Ctrl and S to save. First of all, let's see how this will look. And we should have it over. Okay, we got it over there. Seems good. So on click on this, we want to be able to core underscore card provider, then remove all item. Okay, great. So we can go ahead and add some item to our cart now to make sure it's working. But definitely it's gonna work as we expect. Okay, add this to cart. First of all, we have to pick a size, added, and pick again, added, and okay, added, and we can go to our cart screen. Seems cool, and I'm just gonna click on this to get rid of everything. Seems cool. So everything is working as we expect, and we have no errors. And hopefully you have no errors too. But if you do, please do well to let me know. Okay.